back to my channel. It's your girl Leanne Anderson, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Leanne Anderson, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my protein treatment on my hair. Now this treatment I'm going to show you helps for damaged hair, or if you want to moisturize your hair more and just keep your hair healthy, this treatment is gonna work for your hair. So firstly, as you can see, I'm just removing my ponytail, and my scalp was feeling super itchy. It really needed to be washed. I think I didn't wash my hair for about 2 weeks now, so it really needs some treatment. So now I'm just rinsing my hair with warm water just to prepare my hair, because with natural hair it's only better if you want your products to soak in your hair. It's better to wet your hair before you apply any product on your natural hair. So that is what I'm doing right now. But honestly, you guys, I have to say I'm really impressed with the length of my hair. It is growing, and as time goes on, I know there is more growth to come. So what I'm doing is I'm now sectioning my hair. Now you really need to section your hair so you can apply this mixture on your hair, and make sure that it goes all over your hair and is coated properly. So this is the mixture, and I'm going to tell you guys what I mixed inside of there. So as you can see, it's a little gooey, but trust me, it works on your hair. So what I did is I added in 2 eggs, and you can add in 1 egg if you like, and I've added in some extra virgin olive oil and some mayonnaise. Now you can use any mayonnaise that you prefer and any olive oil, and you just put it in a bowl and you mix it all together. Now this mixture is amazing. I also found this mixture on YouTube, and I was like, you know what, I have to share this with all of y'all because this really worked on my hair. It's been working on my hair beautifully. Like, my hair has been healthy because of this mixture. So as you can see now, I'm just applying some on my hair, and I'm also detangling my hair. Now when you put this on your hair, you feel that your hair becomes even softer, and I feel like I can also call this like more of a deep conditioning your hair, because when you apply this and detangle your hair at the same time, guys, your hair just becomes so soft, super duper soft. So as you can see, I'm doing section by section because I really want my hair to be coated with this mixture, because I just want my hair to be, guys, your hair has to be treated special, because natural hair, to be honest, natural hair needs a lot of attention because it can easily get dry and it gets really annoying, but you have to do this on your hair. This has been amazing, and yeah, try it. So I'm going section by section, and I'm really making sure that I coat enough on my hair, and I'm also making sure that I really detangle my hair. Now guys, a lot of you have been asking, how do I know I have 4C hair? How do I know I have this hair? Well, let me tell you, if your hair curls up like this and gets detangled a lot, you have 4C hair, girl. You have 4C hair. Now I'm really taking my time to detangle my hair, because y'all know that if you do not detangle your hair, this natural hair is hard to comb, so hard to comb. That's why I love doing this protein treatment, because it really helps really soften your hair up and make it really feel more moisturized. So now I'm just putting a plastic on my hair, and I'm going to leave this plastic on for 10 to 15 minutes, and you can leave it for like more than that, like 30 minutes or so, but I left it for 10 to 15 minutes, and now I am taking it off and rinsing my hair. Now I'm rinsing my hair with lukewarm water, and I just prefer this for my hair because I feel like it just makes my hair feel more softer, but it's up to you. It's up to you, girl. Next, I'm using this protein feed shampoo. It's like a moisture therapy for my hair, and it is the moisture therapy, and I love this so much on my hair. It just makes my hair feel a little more softer, and I'm also really using this to really clean my scalp because my scalp is feeling super itchy and icky. So I was like, I really need to wash this. So I'm really gonna do 2 washes. I'm gonna wash it again, just 2 washes, and then I'm gonna rinse my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with conditioner. Now I'm just washing my hair again, and I'm really trying to scrub my scalp with my nails. Now guys, I have to tell you, with 4C hair, when you wash it a lot, or like what I'm doing right now, your hair really gets tangled up. It's just nature. It's just the nature of the natural 4C hair. It will get detangled. That's why I have a pink detangler, and I use it to detangle my hair, which I'll show you later in the video. Next, I'm going in with my favorite Head and Shoulders conditioner. Yes, my favorite conditioner. And I'm going to make sure I apply enough coating on my hair because I really need to detangle my hair. It is so tangled up again because I washed it quite a lot. And I'm now just trying to finish up the mixture and, put it in my hair, and I'll just mix it up with the conditioner. And yes guys, here is the detangler I was talking about. Y'all need to buy this, the detangler. You need to. It really helps to just detangle your hair and make it feel even more softer. But once I'm done doing that, I'm just going in with a bigger comb just to make sure that my hair is fully detangled. Now I'm just rinsing my hair, and guys, I feel so good because my scalp feels so clean and my hair is feeling amazing and just soft. Whew. You guys have to try this. Now I'm just drying my face and my hair, and I am going to just finish up and just take a shower, and I'll be right back with y'all, and I'm just gonna show you how I just stretch and dry my hair. Hey guys, I'm back in my purple morning gown. Now that my hair is super dry, extremely dry now, but it is still feeling fresh, I'm now going to go in with my Easy Waves Oil Sheen Comb Out Conditioner Hairspray, and I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. And I really love applying this on my hair because it just makes your hair feel more soft and easier to comb through. It just helps to prepare the hair for the next products I'm going to add in my hair. Now I'm just sectioning my hair. Like y'all guys know, I don't use a hair dryer on my hair. No hair dryer. I prefer to stretch my hair with wool because I'm afraid of heat damage. So I'm going in with this Easy Waves Coconut Hair Food, and I really love this. It just helps my hair to feel soft and feel so moisturized. So this is what I'm using, and I would recommend this product for you guys to use. You can use it for your hair. So as I was saying, that I do not like to use hair dryer on my hair. I am afraid of heat damage, and so should you guys. But if you are experiencing heat damage on your hair, I think it's better to do this protein treatment, because this protein treatment really helps to grow your hair and to moisturize your hair. Try it and let me know down in the comments what you think. So now I am putting the wool in my hair. I just prefer to use wool to stretch my hair because it's just a safer way of of drying your hair and also stretching it. It really helps to stretch your hair. And also putting wool in your hair, it's like plaiting your hair in a sense, so it also helps to grow your hair. So usually when I put wool on my hair, I usually leave it on maybe for a week, or whenever I want to do a YouTube video and just show you hairstyles, or maybe when I'm going out, that's when I remove the wool. Or sometimes if I'm lazy, I'll just put a wig on top of the on my head. Yes, so as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm using my detangling brush again. I just detangle my hair first, then I apply the hair food, and then I put plait on the wool on my hair. Yes. Now I'm down to my last section of my hair, and I'm just detangling it with this comb. And y'all guys know the drill: detangle, moisturize, then I put on the wool. And I really guys, oh my gosh, this protein treatment has been really working on my hair. It has really helped with my growth. It has really helped with keeping my hair really healthy. I hope, let me know down in the comments below what you think, and if you've tried it before, let me know what it did to your hair, because for me, this protein treatment is an amazing thing. It's a cheap DIY you can do at home, because your hair needs to be treated with love if you want it to grow. It needs the love, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate y'all, and stay tuned to the next video. See you on the next video. Bye.